So hello guys, my name is Moise Khan and this is my brand new channel and welcome you to a brand new video. And in today's video we are gonna create a simple navigation bar which anyone can create with the help of HTML and CSS. This is a very simple navigation bar for your website or like if you are learning this is very um, recommended for you, this course, this website, this nav bar. And we are going to create this in VS Code and download it for your platform you are using, whether you are using Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Download it for that platform, and that the next steps are very easy. You have to simply double click it and install it. So the installation is very basic. You have to click I accept the agreement and select these four options. This is very necessary for you guys. And then simply click next and install it. And it's very simple to install the VS Code. And wait it for it to install. And then we will continue it. Okay, so our VS Code is installed, and uncheck this option and click on close, and then simply create a new folder in which you are gonna create your website. So click new folder, and I will simply name it navbar. Okay, and then open the folder, and then right click show more options and open with code. Okay, I am using Windows 10, that's Windows 11, that's why it is showing show more options. If you are using the Windows 10, it will not show that. So after coming to VS Code, simply go to the extensions tab and install the live server. Simply type here live server. My internet is not working now, but yeah, you have to search like this, and I will show you the live server extension. I have installed it already, and my internet is not working. I don't know why. So okay, I will show you the extension. You have to install it. So come to here, and here I will show you the extension. It is here, the live server, and it is by Ritwik Day. So install the extension of this person because this extension is good. And then if you want this theme that I am using, then simply type jellyfish theme. You will get this theme, and this is a very good theme. I personally suggest you guys to use this theme. And after installing all these things, close the extension tab and create two files here. The first will be named index.html. So the HTML is the extension of that file. I will suggest you to type the index.html because index is good, live server detected. So you have to come here, and okay, I will show you the command palette. Screencast mode, I will enable it to show you which buttons I am pressing. So shift +1, you have to press that. Okay, you can see it is showing here, and you have to press shift +1, or whether your exclamation mark is located. Okay, and this is by Emmet. And if you don't know about Emmet, it is basically already in VS Code, already installed in VS Code. If you use another text editor, you have to install it manually, but VS Code automatically gives it installed. So then name the title and type here link, and you have to select the CSS option, and it will simply link your CSS to this HTML page. Okay, so type div.container. You can use dot container, or you can simply type div, and then you have to add class attribute in it, and then type container. So first of all, and then you have to add navbar, and then you have to write div.logo, and then you have to write the logo. So I am using landmark in this case. You can use any type of name, or you can use the image in this website. I am using landmark, so that is why. Then you have to write div.menu and then add your menu. So you have to write ul, and then you have to write li, and in li you have to write a. A is basically the, I don't know what is it. Okay, so you have to make the href hashtag, and you have to simply hold the key shift plus alt plus arrow down, and it will copy your line. So you have to now rename, not rename, you have to give the name about name your menu buttons. It is not necessary to name this my buttons because I am just doing this for demo purposes. So you have to write all of this in a div. Then you have to come into style.css file and type here the star, and then write and then add curly brackets, and then margin 0 and padding also 0. This will remove the margin and padding from your website. Then you have to write here nav, basically this nav tag, and you have to add curly braces. Okay, and sorry, this is my first video, so I am very nervous. You have to write here display flex, and it will flex your display. Okay, sorry, I didn't open it in live server. Okay, now let's open it, and as you can see, it makes our display flex. And then you have to come back to the VS Code, and right here, come back to the style.css file, and right here justify content space between. This will create a space between your items, between your two divs. So after this, you have to come back and write a ul curly brackets as always. Then you have to write display, oh sorry, then you have to write list style, oh, sorry, I typing mistake. Okay, list style, and you have to write list style none, so it will remove the dots from your menu. And then you have to write li and add curly brackets, and then you have to write display and inline. This will make your menu inline, as the name shows. It will make your display inline. And then you have to write, then you have to come to nav tag and write here background. You have to add a background color to this, or a background image to your nav bar, and I am using this one RGB. And because I want a blue background, light blue background, as you can see 71, 71 and 172, and you can see here this is like this. Okay, Mhm. Then you have to write width 100% and height is equal to 9 VH, and the nav bar will look like this. So our nav bar has already made, we have already made the structure. Then come here, and you can see this all these properties using in CSS. You have to write here dot logo to make the logo size bigger. So you have to write here for padding, sorry, you have to add the padding from the top. It will be like 20 pixel around. Yeah, it should be 20 pixel or 25 pixels. Yeah, now it is looking good. Then you have to add here the padding from top in your allies. So you will also have to write 25 pixel. Okay, not in this one. Yes, so it's done. Okay, you have to write this in the ul tag. Then you have to come here, and you can see here it is also, you have to make it simple because it would be in line. Okay, so here you have to write margin right, and sorry, margin left. You have to write margin left. I was just confused in this. Margin left and 20 pixel, it would be in 20 pixel, like goes in the right, it would goes 20 pixel in the right. And you have to write the margin right 20 pixel. Oh sorry, it would not, oh yeah, okay, it has added the space in this. You have to write a, okay, and cut this from here and write a and type here. And don't judge my English because I don't. Okay, leave that. Right here font size 20 pixels. It will change the font size all of the nav bar. And then simply come and type here color and make it white. I don't know what I am thinking about now, but okay, write it here also. I was just making a shortcut, but you will see the end of the shortcut. Okay, and I will show you. You can see the menu is not changed, so what you have to do is to write this in this a tag also. So shift this and white this, as you can see here, control S and alt F4, so you can see this. And then you have to add some text decorations, none. So it will remove the underline from your text, you can see here. Then you can adjust your text. Okay, here I was just entering word spacing, but I actually want word spacing. Okay, wait, I was just testing it if it's work or not. It works, so I will make it 50 pixel. Let's check how will the 50 pixel look like. And it is good, but like I don't like it. Come here and change the margin, right? So it would look like this. Come here and make it simple, word spacing. Come here, cut it from here and paste it here. So it would not work if you paste it in a tag, because it will only add word spacing in your a tags. So you have to add it in ul, so it would look better. Okay, as you can see, it would make this. You have to, I will reduce this, I will add this 35 pixel, and it is looking good, as you can see here. And if you want to add a hover effect to your text, you can simply do this. You can write this one, this tag, and you can simply make it color black. Okay, so when you hover at your menu, it would change its color, as you can see here. So yeah, and guys, I am a beginner and I am also learning website development. So if there is any mistake in my code, then you can simply tell me and I will like make it correct. So yeah, you can also help me in the comment section, and I would appreciate that. And we will learn together. I am learning Tailwind CSS now, and I will make a course on that if when I learned it. And yeah, that was it in this video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.